In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate a suspended user account in Google Workspace. This is an essential skill for administrators who might need to restore access for users who have been accidentally suspended or need to regain access for other reasons. We'll go through this process step by step to ensure clarity and ease of understanding. Let's begin by navigating to the familiar interface of your Google Workspace dashboard. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, you're going to want to direct your attention to the left-hand menu. It's full of useful sections that house various administrative tools and features you'll need. Focus on finding the Directory section. Clicking on Directory will reveal more options, and from there you'll want to carefully select Users. This area gives you access to a detailed list of all the user accounts within your organization, allowing you to manage, view, and edit user-specific details. Next, we're going to expand our options to find the specific action we want to take. Look for the More Options button. It's usually represented by an arrow pointing downwards, which, when clicked, reveals a drop-down menu with additional choices. This is a crucial step, as it opens up the capacity to see information and features that aren't immediately visible on the main interface. Now, within this newly expanded list of options, you're looking for Recently Deleted Users. This function is what allows administrators to track user accounts that have been removed or deactivated. Don't let the term deleted worry you too much. Google Workspace understands that human errors or temporary decisions happen, so it provides this safety net where accounts can be recovered rather easily. Once you've navigated to the list of recently deleted users, your task is to find the specific user account you wish to reactivate. Here, using the search bar can be very helpful if you have a long list. But if it's manageable, you might just scroll through until you find the user in question. Now, hover over this user's account entry. Doing so reveals several actions you can take, but the one we're interested in is marked as Recover. Click Recover to proceed with the reactivation. After you initiate the recovery process, Google Workspace will handle the rest, and your suspended user's account will be reactivated shortly. Once completed, you can communicate with the user to let them know they should now have full access restored to their Google Workspace account. Keep in mind if there are any issues or if the user still faces difficulties accessing their account, ensure that their credentials are correct and consider advising them to reset their password if necessary. And there you have it. You've successfully reactivated a suspended account in Google Workspace. It's a simple but powerful process that helps keep your organization's accounts managed effectively.